I want to quickly show to our viewers what exactly is happening in this particular case and what are the confessions that have led to the arrest of Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda, and why news is tightening around Team Rhea. So confession, let's go back first to confession number 1, because these are very sensational confessions that have come. Let's start from confession number 1, and there you have it. Used to procure drugs for Sushant's house. This is the confession by Samuel Miranda, who has told the NCB, during the questioning that went on for about 10 hours yesterday, that he used to procure drugs for Sushant. Confession number 2 is, often I have brought drugs from peddlers. That is another confession that was made by Samuel Miranda yesterday. Confession number 3 is also very, very important. I was a conduit for drugs for Sushant's home. And this clearly goes on to show that some kind of a conspiracy angle that the family was talking about is something that needs to be investigated. Let's also show you the people who are currently being investigated by the NCB. In total, 7 have been arrested so far. But in the eye of the storm as of now is Souvik Chakravarti, brother of Rhea Chakravarti. Now, why? Because there is irrefutable link to drug mafia that has emerged as far as Souvik Chakravarti is concerned. And yesterday morning there were raids at Souvik's residence, there were raids at Samuel Miranda's residence. After that, both of them were taken to the NCB office and then they got arrested. So he has already been arrested by the NCB. Then you have Abbas Lakhani, who is another drug peddler who has been arrested by the NCB as well. And then there is Zaid Vilatra, who is also a drug supplier, who has been arrested. Farooq Batata, the big name in this particular case, is on the radar of the NCB, but his link has also emerged with this man, Souvik Chakravarti, who is currently being investigated. And as we speak, the medical examination of Souvik and Samuel Miranda is underway. Basit Parihar is another important element here, an important name, a drug supplier who has also been arrested by the NCB. Chinku Pathan, drug kingpin, is also under NCB's lens, and it is suspected that both of them perhaps could be responsible for supplying drugs to the B town. And lastly, Kezan Ibrahim, drug supplier, also arrested by the NCB, and Karan Arora, drug supplier, arrested by the NCB. So 5 of these drug peddlers and suppliers had connection with Souvik Chakravarti. In fact, first these drug peddlers and suppliers were arrested. NCB got evidence about their link with Souvik Chakravarti. Then yesterday, Souvik and Miranda got arrested, and tomorrow we are being told that Rhea could be summoned as well.